Hey guys, we're down here at the Hive in Moscow, Idaho. It's on Troy Highway. We got the Suzuki s40 in here. We're gonna get some diagnosis and see what's going on with her. We're gonna talk to their main motorcycle mechanic named Matt. So wish me luck. Good, how you doing, man? Hey guys, we're sitting here talking to Matt from the Hive Auto Body Repair in Moscow, Idaho. We're looking over my carburetor here and kind of showing him exactly what we've already done. He's going to look at the parts and pieces that we got here, and he's probably going to laugh at me. So here we go.
Oh, there's the needle.
Stuck in there?
That is the incorrect way to put a needle in.
That ain't going to work, huh?
No. Not even remotely.
You're getting paid for easy work today? Is that?
So, the needle itself, if you look down the carburetor here and you see
Right, little hole down there.
the nozzle,
Yeah.
the needle has to go down through there, and that's what
Okay.
meters your fuel.
All right.
So it'll idle, but as soon as you crack the throttle open,
It won't do a darn thing, yeah.
It's just going to go full rich. And
I haven't even been able to put even 100 miles on it. So somebody's gotten into it and been dysfunctional.
see where all this is supposed to be positioned. Right.
Are you putting it in the fourth slot?
Right now, I'll take a look at the rest of it and try to determine where it all goes. But I'll tell this apart. But the needle, the taper of this needle,
Yeah.
has to go down through the nozzle, and that's where all your metering comes from as soon as you're off idle.
Never actually switched that out, so.
These have if you're going to run that open air intake on it, you probably need to find the richest one you've got.
So the gradient of the taper is very important for that then.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can see how
flat head and a little bit more rounded.
Yeah,
okay.
So, I mean, I'm going to probably find the richest one of the bunch here. And
so if it's more tapered, then it runs richer then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Surprisingly, they only have one groove on them. So
yeah. Hey guys, it's Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Moto. So I just dropped off the bike at the Hive down on Troy Highway in Moscow, Idaho, and I was able to talk to Matt. I showed you guys a video of us talking. Basically, what I came to find out was an embarrassing truth that the needle was not set right in the carburetor. It was actually not in there right at all. And so I honestly don't remember changing that out. It might have been my fault, but I do a lot of stuff late at night when I probably shouldn't. So anyway, I had printed off a spec sheet here of troubleshooting for your carburetor. And so I kind of went through these things and tried to do my best on a diagnosis and a fix-up. But, you know, like I've said before, I don't know everything at all. I don't know anything at all. That's the point of doing this, to have some fun, you know, and to figure things out and to learn. So one thing that's really important is when you make mistakes, you know, it's only a time to learn and not to be ashamed of the mistakes you've made. This is something I've always wanted to do as a hobby and as a job, and I am so bad at math. I was always so intimidated to do mechanics. So here I am, 35 years old, deciding this is my life, this is what I want to do. I do have a professional job as well, so just so you know, I'm not broke yet. Anyway, so one thing I wanted to show you guys is the old float on my Suzuki. Pretty rough, and I actually thought this was the cause of the problem, but turns out this was part of the cause and I was part of the other cause. So just a quick visual here. You can kind of see that big thumbprint. It's basically an exact thumbprint or fingerprint indent right here. I thought that was going to be the cause. Also, there's what I call a little Reebok sign right here that got dented also. Basically what this does, from my knowledge, is the fuel comes in and this raises, technically it goes like that, I guess. It raises up and down to help the flow of gas there. So that sits in the bowl of the carburetor. So we got that replaced with a brand new one we got off of Bike Bandit, and hopefully Matt down at the Hive will get this bike figured out. I'm really excited because I haven't rode it in a while. I actually went out and bought a 87 Honda CMX 250 Rebel just to ride around town because I was so frustrated with this other bike, and I ended up just putting it away. I finally paid it off. I paid it off in under a year and decided, like, you know, it's best money spent just to pay it off. So at any rate, the bike is at the shop. I'm really excited about it. I'm hoping that we'll make some progress here. I'm gonna edit the rest of the videos and get those put up online here. And thanks for your patience, guys. I hope that we are gonna be able to figure this out because I want to ride that damn bike. All right, later.